Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. How are you guys? Okay. I just hate this. You can comment, I guess. I just open up. Alright guys. Today we got 4 more minutes to go into equities. I'm not going to be trading. I'm just gonna tape read today. Let me see if we have any news. I don't believe we have. No, we do not. We have Trump speaking at this yeah, at the evening. Okay. I haven't even analyzed. Are you having any issue with the stream? Okay. Having a little bug. Let's stick with it today. Let's take a look at the daily. We have not anything special. We have this. Here's daily high, which is buy side. Clean equalize, I guess. Yeah, almost. I'm anticipating this to be taken out. Like in this price action right here, it's very tricky. It can be very tricky. So it's best like to stay out of it. I want to buy, but I'm waiting. One. Yeah, you can buy if you want. I don't know. Let's see. We have these relative equal lows. We got 1 more minute. Take a look at the 1 minute. We have this SIBI right here. I'm gonna see these out. Maybe an SMT. All right. I forgot about the opening range gap. Okay, that is very, very huge. So when we see an opening range gap form like this with this huge gap, it's best to stay out. The best thing to do is just to stay out of the market. Wait, I'm gonna restart the stream pretty quick. I see I have some issues. Okay, we're back. Oh my god. I just can't find the sweet spot. I can't find the sweet spot because I have this wide monitor. I'm having issues with the quality. I can't find the sweet spot of it, like, because I changed it because of a recording. Let me try this one. I know it's blurry, but oh, by the way, I'm waiting. Nothing special yet. If we have an SMT with these highs, I really like this SIBI right here. Go lower. So we do have an SMT. I'm waiting for this high to be taken on ES and see if we can get any reaction to the downside. Targeting. We have equal lows here, which I don't know if we're gonna hit them, but let me see. This right here is better. Okay, I think it's better now. Welcome everybody. Like we have this previous daily high right here. We have a bullish order block. Might target the side. At least I want this buy side. Let's see when we're inversing this, and let's see how this and the quadrants react. This is what I'm looking for, right? So let's see how we come back down this level. We had this bullish fair value gap. This is now a bullish medium. Let's see right here. This would have been a very good long on this order block right here. So I want to see this level. We okay, I am entering right here. Top would be right here. Let me just do. Okay. Just tape reading today, nothing special. I'm not trading my live accounts. I mean, we can take 2 off here if we get here. Yeah. Well, what's just this? Is this a 1 to 2? Yeah, 1 to 2. As you can see, my stop is below the lower quadrant of this wick right here. I did not grade that visually, but I can see that. We have SMT with a ES, where? You mean right here? Look at this lower quadrant right here getting respected of this huge wick. I want to see this act as an order block as well as the one right here. So I can trail my stop now to this low. Okay, seeing some reaction off of this order block right here. Let's see if we can displace above this high right here. Maybe we get an SMT with a low on ES. ES takes out this low right here. Just put that on the chart. ES takes this low out. We come to the lower quadrant of this order block and then we start going up. I don't like if we close below the mean threshold of this bullish order block right here. I don't like to move my stop either, but we do have an SMT right here. We just took this out. Just remove this. Yeah. We violate this. Let's see if we can, since we lost one. Where is this? Actually, I'll be using the opening, or I'm going to be using this order block that we just used to go lower. Then I'm going to fill my stop down here. So I'll go like, I'll enter my short on this inverse order block right here if we get up to it. Price seems very bearish. Now I'll be targeting one goes off of here, buy limit on the upper quadrant. Okay, we're now tagged in, but I know, yeah, there it goes. I would also like this area to stay open, this shaded area, the white one. We can also grade this wick. So we have SMT right here. We failed the 50% here. Reach to the lower quadrant of this wick. So we can remove that as we know that already. We can trail our stop here after inversing this fair value gap. So if we inverse this aggressively, I can move my stop here or here. You can see ES is just dropping. I'm looking at this green candle as an order block. I would like to use the wick as well, not the opening price of it. Let's see if we can close below. Just tapped into it. Yeah, I like how we closed right here. Now we can take a look at this wick and grade that as well. We do this. Now, let's see. So I'm okay with violating this by sweeping this wicks high. What is important to me is where the candle closes. So this is totally fine. This is also a minor SMT. So we can trail our stop now. We're cutting risk. How much? Yeah, more than half. Okay, we can take one off right here. Okay. Now we can move my stock to break even. And then I'm going to remove this buy limit as I'm going to trail the stop with it instead. Alright, so this is our second target, so I'm going to be stops above this wick right here. So this was our second target right here. Let's see if we did not take that out. So I want to see that get taken out. Yeah, there it is. My yeah, but that's just that was a good price delivery. Like with easy and obvious targets, get these relative low resistance / equal lows. If the opening range gap, upper quadrant right here. And we have all of these target levels as we also had an SMT with ES. Yeah, so I actually got stopped out here, but TradingView is just being weird lately. But yeah, today's trade, not bad. That was very good. Like the price delivery was slow. It was like good. It was not slow. It was just it was not bad at all. So I think we will call it a day right here. We're going to be live tomorrow. Um, we're going to be live tomorrow at same as today. Any questions? I'm just gonna screenshot this. Today's trade. Yeah. We're done. and I hope you guys have a nice day.